Hello students, today we are going to start with chapter 4 fractions. Okay, I hope you have already know the basics of fraction, but still to recall you I will explain wherever is necessary. Now exercise 4.1, add or subtract as required. Question number 1, 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Okay, now look at the fractions 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. Both fractions have the same denominator, so the fractions which have the same denominators are called like fractions. So they are like fractions. To add the like fractions, we have to add only numerators. There is no need to change in denominator. So just write denominator once, means 7. Now add the numerators 3 plus 2, 5 by 7. Okay. In question number 3rd, 1 by 11 plus 3 by 11, 7 by 11 plus 2 by 11. All three fractions are like fractions. So just add numerators. 1 plus 7 plus 2 is equals to 10 by 11. Okay. 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7. We have to subtract this fraction 2 by 7 from 5 by 7. Now both are like fractions, so just write denominator once. Now subtract 2 from 5, means 5 minus 2, 3 by 7. As there are too many questions in exercise, so no need to do all parts. Just do the odd ones, means 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 in all questions. Okay. Now question number 2. Add first question 2 by 5, 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. We have to add these fractions. Okay. Now just look at the fractions 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. Denominators are not same. So to add the fractions, we have to make the fractions like fractions. Okay. And to make the fractions like, we have to take the LCM of denominators. 5, 4, 2. So the LCM of 5, 4, 2 is 20. You can find the LCM in your rough part. Okay. So LCM is 20. Now make the denominators of all fractions 20. First fraction is 2 by 5. To make the denominator 20, we have to multiply 5 by 4. So if we are multiplying the denominator by 4, we must have to multiply the numerator also by 4. So 5 4s are 20, 2 4s are 8. Second fraction is 3 by 4. To make the denominator 20, we have to multiply 4 by 5. If we are multiplying the denominator by 5, so we must multiply the numerator by 5 also. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Third fraction 1 by 2. So again, to make the denominator 20, multiply by 10 and also by numerator 10. 10 by 20. Now all fractions 8 by 20, 15 by 20 and 10 by 20 are like fractions. Now we can add these fractions. 20, 8 by 20, 15 by 20 and 10 by 20. Write the denominator once. Now 8 plus 15 plus 10, 33 by 20. This fraction is improper fraction. What are improper fractions? Improper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is greater than denominator. Here numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. So we will convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay. Now how to convert it into mixed fraction. Divide 33 by 20. 20 ones are 20. 33 minus 20, 13. We have to write the quotient here, remainder in numerator and the divisor in denominator. Okay. Now question number 5. 5 2 by 3 and 2 1 by 3. Two mixed fractions. First convert these two mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert into improper fraction? Multiply the denominator by whole number. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Okay, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1. First multiply denominator by whole number, then add the numerator. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 7 upon 3. Here the denominators are same, so no need to take LCM. Just add the numerators. 17 plus 7 is equals to 24. 24 by 3 is equals to 8. Okay. Now question number 9. 5 5 by 6, 6 11 by 24, 1 3 by 16. First change these mixed fraction into improper fraction. 35 by 6. 5 6 are 6 5s are 30 plus 5 35. 24 6 are 144 plus 11 155. 16 ones are 6 plus 3 19 by 16. Now the denominators are different in all fractions. Now take the LCM 6, 24 and 16. The LCM of 6, 24 and 16 is 48. You can find the LCM in your rough part. Now first fraction 35 by 6. Multiply this fraction. We have to convert the denominator 6 into 48. So to convert it into 48 we have to multiply by 8. 6 8s are 48. So if you multiplying 8 by denominator, then also multiplying numerator by 8. So 35 into 8 280. 6 8s are 48. Second fraction 155 by 24. Now to convert the denominator 48 we have to multiply by 2. 24 2s are 48. So also multiply the numerator by 2. 310 by 48. Third fraction is 19 by 16. To make the denominator 48, we have to multiply by 3, both numerator and denominator. 19 3s are 57, 16 3s are 48. Now all fractions are like fraction, same denominator. Just add the numerators now. 280 plus 310 plus 57, 647 by 48. Now convert it in mixed fraction. 48 divided by 647 divided by 48. 48 ones are 48. If you subtract we get 16, carry 7, 167. 48 3s are 144. Subtract we get 23 as remainder. Now we have to write the quotient in whole number place, the remainder in numerator place and the divisor in denominator. So answer is 1323 by 48. Part C, subtract. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 7. To subtract, first we have to make these fractions like fractions. So taking the LCM of denominator 3 and 7 we get 21. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Now just remember it, if we are taking the LCM of co-prime numbers are those numbers having the LCM 1. Okay. Now if we are taking the LCM of co-prime number, so the LCM is their product. 7 3s are 21. They are co-prime numbers, so their LCM will be their product 21. 2 by 3 we have to multiply the denominator by 7 and also numerator by 7. 3 7s are 21, 2 7s are 14. 2 by 7. To make the denominator 21, multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21. Now 14 minus 21 minus 6 by 21. Just subtract 41 minus 6, 8 by 21. In fifth part, 2 minus 1 by 5. Here in first part, the denominator is 1. Here the denominator is 1 and here denominator is 5. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Just convert these fraction into like fractions. 2 by 1 into 5 into 5. To convert the denominator into 5, we have to multiply by 5. 10 by 5. The second fractions will remain same because the denominator and LCM is both are same. Okay. If the denominator and LCM are same, then no need to change the fraction. Now 10 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is equals to 10 minus 1 upon 5, 9 by 5. When we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we get 1 4 by 5. Okay. Question number 9. Same. First convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then after the LCM and make the fractions like. Okay. Then subtract. Now D part. Simplify. 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Simplify means we have to subtract and add. We have to do the subtraction and addition in same question. Now the process is same. First make the fractions like. LCM of 3, 6 and 12 is 12. You can find the LCM in your rough part. Now just remember, if we are finding the LCM of numbers such 3, 6, 12, the greater number is 12. If the greater number is the multiple of smaller numbers, means 12 is the multiple of 6 and multiple of 3 also. The greater number is multiple of smaller numbers, then the LCM is the greater number 12. 12 is the multiple of 3 and 6 both. So LCM is 12. Now convert the fractions into like fractions. After making the like fractions, we just have to subtract and add. 8 minus 10 plus 5. First add the positive 8 and 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 minus 10, 3. 3 by 12. Now we can simplify this fraction because there is a common factor in both the numerator and denominator, 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So here the numerator remains 1 and denominator is 4, 1 by 4. Now try the other parts with yourself. Only odd parts of all questions in your notebook. Now exercise 4.2. Multiply. First part, 4 by 7 into 6. To multiply the fraction by a whole number, we have to multiply the whole number by numerator. Okay. Here the numerator is 4 and whole number is 6. So multiply the whole number by numerator. 4 into 6, 24 by 7. Okay. 2 by 7 into 10. Multiply 2 into 10, 20. 20 by 5. So when we divide 20 by 5, we get 4 because 20 is the multiple of 5. 15, 3 by 20 into 0. If we multiply any number by 0, we get the answer 0. 17, 2 by 6 into 24. Multiplying by 2 into 24 we get 48. 48 divided by 6 we get 8. If the unit is given in question, we have also write the unit in answer. Okay. Here also do only the odd questions, means 1, 5, 9, 11, 13, 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Only 10 questions of exercise 4.2. Okay, thank you.